Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must confirm compatibility first. Inspect the monitor label or manual to verify 1280x1024 at 60Hz is supported. Once done, shut down power briefly, reset the cable, DVI or VGA often best for this mode, and launch the system display settings or your GPU control panel as administrator. You're starting the process now. Record the current resolution and refresh rate, create a restore point or profile, and proceed so you can revert if needed. Open the Advanced Display or GPU Control Panel. Select 1280x1024 at 60Hz. This is the recommended mode. If it's not listed, create a custom resolution. Enter horizontal and vertical pixels, refresh 60, and correct blanking/timings, or use standard reduced VSync timing. The panel calculates pixel clock. Apply the mode and watch for flicker or artifacts. If the driver offers a 15-second confirmation, accept only after visual verification. Once the mode is stable, save the display profile and run full-screen applications to confirm scaling and color are correct. If the monitor reports wrong supported modes, retrieve or override edit in the OS or GPU tool. This fixes false capability reports. If you still see instability, update the GPU driver, swap cable type or port, and reset the monitor to factory defaults. One key troubleshooting tip. If the screen stays blank or unstable, boot safe mode and revert to the previous profile before retrying changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.